Microsoft surprised everyone by introducing Microsoft PC Manager, which is a one-click solution for optimizing Windows. Now it provides an overview of potential issues and fixes them. Now if you want to learn more about this application, you can watch this video tutorial. So first, open any browser, download and install it from this page. Then after downloading it, double-click on the file to install it. Once installed, click on Launch Now, and you can now access the newly installed application from the Start menu. Now when you click on it, you will see two different tabs at the bottom. The first of which is called Clean Up, while the other one is called Security. Now with Clean Up, you can check your memory usage, temporary files, health check, and others. But if you're not so much concerned with the general performance of your Windows computer, but want to be able to check for any potential threats, you can click the Security tab. Now in here, you can scan, check Windows Update, have browser protection, or you can even have a pop-up management. So that's how to make Windows faster using the PC Manager. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.